Someone's recording.
Shush.
Gracie, sit.
Dad, someone's recording.
Oh, stop it.
Look up in the sky. It looks very dark out for that. Like.
Oh, maybe it's not as bad as I thought it'd be.
Oh, stop.
There's more. There's more.
so
Look up in the sky. Look up in the sky.
The ones in
You
the
want to
distance
see
were
so
weren't as colorful because
Stop, Gracie,
Just watch.
Gracie, lay down with the blanket on you.
Yeah, come. Woo, woo, woo.
If he runs too much.
Shush, watch. Woo.
Yeah.
It's
Aw.
probably
Aw.
how it goes higher.
Yeah, his ears.
Yeah, and how it
How are your ears, babe?
You want me to plug your ears?
Ow. Ow.
Goes, it kind
Oh.
of twists diagonal a little bit. Goes up.
Oh, more. Oh, wow.
Christmas! It was green and red.
Come here, baby. Logan.
Logan.
Equipment.
Okay.
Look up.
Logan.
Look up. I can't see it. Oh my God!
You see how it's
Watch it, I can plug
moving?
your
You
ears.
can see the smoke. It's gone
Come
now.
here, baby. Come here.
Bro, this is so fun. I'm actually kind of glad I did.
So can I have my blanket? Are you spending the night?
I don't know.
Come get on Mama's lap.
Please spend the
Oh, look up in the sky!
Look up.
Look up, buddy. Oh wow, that was quick until
I think one hit me.
Liam, it's all
here,
the
I'll
way
plug
up
your
there.
ears.
It's not gonna hit you.
Hey, my dad has some all the way out there.
Come here.
And one hit my sister. Don't believe me? Ask my mom.
No, I
And they
will
have
never.
a tripod.
More.
I'm gonna try not plugging my ears.
Do 3 at a
Gracie, do you plug your ears?
He can't.
Why?
There's a 2-minute show down there.
Because I love them.
So it just goes
Someone
off.
else is recording.
Hey, Auntie.
Oh,
those are my favorite.
2 people are recording you.
Yeah.
Her.
Auntie,
That's Lisa. Auntie Lisa.
Oh, there's more. Wait.
you want to stand inside the glass door and watch?
There's a lot more.
Okay, go ahead.
You think? This looks like a huge box.
There's
Shut the
1,000 bucks. There's no way we're letting this go to waste.
That all together, this is like $400.
Whoa, Logan's like,
Oh,
that's
Liam, it can't get on you.
Mom.
Calm down. It's all right.
And,
But remember last time?
well, a little bit got on me.
No, it didn't, because it's way down there at the water.
Wait, do you
See,
have
way down
Melissa's
there.
number? Do you have Melissa's number?
No,
Video chatter.
no, because I promised her I'd record it.
Oh, more. Look.
See, it's way down there. Way down there.
I got like one eye like this.
Was it one of those crackles I didn't hear? I was plugging my ears.
It did like,
I couldn't hear any of the crackles.
wait, there was no crackles on that one.
I love fireworks.
I think he's saying like,
Yeah, you should see him in the
Cheers,
middle
okay,
of
babe?
town.
I
there's
know.
another one.
If you went to Camden in the old church and clock tower,
Right there? You think it's right there?
I
Yeah?
think it's busted.
No, actually, right there.
Right there?
Follow the thing. It's busted.
It's not going.
Hang on.
Just point down and at the thing and then
I can do like this.
try it again. Dude, try again.
Dude, shush. Ugh.
No, because what if
Gracie is filming. Oh, stop.
I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to hold it.
Don't shake it.
You know that
Oh,
clock
Lori, did you
tower?
know?
He's lighting off a different one.
I took my
You know that
dad
clock
to
tower
the
in Camden?
because they got a new one.
Because they think it's up there.
Turn fireworks off.
You think it's gonna be right there?
The whole town of
Let's
Camden
see.
and a little bit of Lincoln.
Whoa!
See it.
Gracie, hold still. There you go. Right there.
No, right there.
There's gonna be another one, buddy. Don't let the doggies out.
Fireworks are awesome.
Yeah, but see how they're gliding? And
Oh, Grace, you're giving me.
That's what
Hold
they
still.
do.
Right there.
Take back the phone.
You watch your mouth.
Come on, record my finger.
Don't do that. It takes up for service.
Her finger doesn't take up service. No, it doesn't.
Electric charge.
Let me see. You watch. Look, there's another one. You watch. I'll film.
There's no fireworks there.
Pretty.
The vibration. Look.
Oof. Ow, the elbows. Oh. You gonna sit out here and plug your ears?
Ow.
You wanna sit with Lena or Mama?
Don't step on me.
Gracie's coming to sit with you, babe.
See those sticks?
It's rotating. Rotating babies.
Did you?
Where's
Where's
all the
Morgan?
crackles? And Mama's lap.
It doesn't matter if you see them. All that matters
that's
is
my
if
hip.
you see the colors.
Logan can plug his ears like this.
Great.
Hey.
Yeah, keep your feet up there,
I
babe.
don't want feet in my face.
Then you just say please. We're all kind of bundled together in a big lump.
Look up. Look up.
Uh-oh, that ain't good. That ain't good.
It's gonna land in the mic.
It's okay, buddy.
You didn't hear that. That was it landing in the mic.
Where's Logan?
In Mama's lap.
He's right here, baby.
That's not me.
He doesn't like the big noises.
Lena doesn't either.
Are we allowed to go down there?
Oh, I think there's enough down there.
What?
Those are my favorites. Those are Mama's favorites.
Did you see the spiral it did?
It did like
I like
Yeah, it went up high and I thought I was going to fail.
because I wanted to make the bed again down there, but I had to take my blanket. When my
That one was red.
spun twice, then landed right in the lake, and it was so funny.
Coming back with me, baby?
The weird thing is the flame was waterproof.
There you go.
Oh, snug as a bug.
Oh.
Why are you laughing?
There's so much fire.
Yeah, he doesn't like the loud bangs.
Oh.
No.
Yeah.
But I
Oh, guess
do.
what
It
we
does like
eat?
bang.
Yeah, because you're a wild one.
Yeah, sure, totally.
Mom, tell about the pig. It's like an oval with two.
That was like a colorful one.
Stop.
That one was a silver.
Yeah, it was sparkly.
Ah.
Bro, I'm surprised we can even see the colors.
Of course we can't, Chase.
Yeah, because they're
That's why Dado said wait till dark.
Yeah, but I thought the fogs were going to get up.
Daddy.
Pretty.
Oh, that was close to hitting a tree.
That was a sparkle.
That was a rocket ship.
That was a sparkle.
Bro, don't worry. Wait for the next one. Oh, God.
No, not yet.
Oh. Well, watch out for Logan's face.
Not yet. Keep it down.
Watch out, Logan.
Okay, up.
I jumped in.
That's a pretty one.
That was a bigger one.
Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July, baby!
Happy 4th of July.
We should have giant beans.
Ow. Easy.
What if they one that says 4th of July? Wait, why do we celebrate 4th of July again?
A little bit.
It's America's independence from Britain, England.
It was a little bit purple.
Here's
And,
one.
and then it was
The purple
all shiny.
purple and gold ones are my favorites. Which one's your favorite?
That one.
Pretty. That was your favorite?
Yeah, it has a ton of fireworks in
It's okay. It's okay, Logan.
So,
I can't.
you guys want my blanket? Want my blanket?
My arms are tired.
I bought it here for you. I really just like the noise, kind of.
I really don't like the noise.
I love it.
I have very sensitive. I want to.
Ouch.
Let me cover up your head
Oh.
so it won't ring.
Well, you can't see if you cut your head.
I have ears that don't like loud noises, so.
Your ear tastes like garlic.
My arms like.
Ooh, pretty.
That was a pretty one.
Oh, stop bouncing on my leg.
Sparkle came down so far, I thought
That
it
hurts.
would strike that
What
tree.
does it say on that?
It says mom in a bunch of different languages. What, baby?
My arms like tired.
Your arms are tired. Pretty.
Your mom will plug your ears.
Here, my bracelet.
Liam, stop. Stop it. It does. I'll be happy. I'll be the happiest
Now
boy
you
in the
can
world.
rest your hands.
Yeah, I got his ears. I just can't move my arms.
I'm holding his hand.
That's very nice.
No. What if someone's riding a boat at this time?
Back off, back
Right
off.
in this lake. Sometimes.
I hope they have a headlight.
That was a rainbow one.
It's pretty,
Do you
huh?
want this pillow? One landed
It's so cool. Oh, this
Is
was a
that?
one-shotter.
Oh, thank you. I'm okay, baby.
But
Hey,
if you get
oh.
scared, just squeeze
Logan.
my hand, okay?
He's okay. He's okay.
Oh, my kneecap.
Logan, you have a pillow.
That, that.
Logan.
That's in my face.
Happy 4th of July!
Hey, let's go! Want me to get you earmuffs?
Sure, yes.
Just chill. Just sit, buddy. Sit.
They're right in there.
No, they're not.
Underneath the phone.
Oh, I lost my phone.
It's called cold.
Oh, missed that one.
Did you get him? What are you doing?
I have a foot rest now from your pillow.
I saw it.
You have a little bit.
That one landed up here.
I closed my eyes a little bit.
That one didn't disappear. It landed so sketchy.
I have a foot rest
Where's
underneath
the earmuff?
on my feet.
We don't have any.
Look, foot rest.
It's called rock.
I have a foot
You want it?
rest.
You want some?
I have a foot rest.
In there.
I won't be able to get in there.
That was red. That was red and silver.
It's called red and white. It's called rock.
Okay.
Want some rock?
No.
It'll help because it's burnt. I let it go down in the hammock. Ow!
You need to go ask your mom.
Look, we should take the blanket.
Don't do that to your eyeballs.
Oh, gosh. I think that...
Oh, the blink.
Oh, okay. I thought that was thunder. When this
No,
thunder-
everybody's setting off fireworks.
He's using the big box. He's using the big box.
Let's hope he uses the cylinder in there.
Look, ow. Gracie, watch your elbows, baby. Watch your elbows.
Launch it. He sets the bottom one off.
Oh,
Throws the other three up.
Look up.
Watch your elbows.
Dad's setting off the big box.
We
To make like a louder
We
noise,
have
like
120.
boom.
the one that has a soldier on it.
Yeah.
Yay! That one's my favorite because of how what they
Wait,
are.
what happened? There's some coming down. Oh my god!
You got one. Send again.
He's sending it.
Yay. I love you. I love you, Uncle.
I guess I still
I love
gotta,
you, Uncle Chris.
hold baby's ears.
You can go inside.
He's putting on the 2-minute show. No, this one's the 2-minute show.
Oh, you want
Or
to
this
go
one-
inside?
big
Logan's going in for the glass.
The big box.
Oh,
Oh, I want my foot rest.
Hey.
Oh, okay, that was a big box. Okay. That was a big box with soldiers on it. Oh, this is the 2-minute show one, I
He's
think.
going inside.
Yeah, it's because it's loud. See, when it's loud, that's what we do.
Why?
Because it hurts his ears.
Oh my God!
They're coming.
Stop,
They're coming.
Liam. Then cover up.
Close my eyes, please. I'm still here a little bit, but okay.
Oh,
There's a lot of fireworks.
mhm.
The bigger and louder, the better. That's my motto. I love to fight. Ouch.
You going with Logan?
What fireworkers are? Mom, what are fireworkers? Ah! Hey, look, that one didn't go out. That one landed on the dock. Still fixing to go. Hey, what are fireworkers?
I don't know.
Liam.
What are